Hello Vmixers, and welcome to this demo or tutorial about Vas, the online content management system for Vmix. This is a very easy to use content management system, which is it's a platform for you and your colleagues, your TV station, whatever. So everything runs here is very perfectly for Vmix, because we did it the way that Vmix react with data sources, live data sources from a platform which is an online one. So this platform is customizable by your needs once you want it. It's customized whatever you need. It have multiple languages. Also, it can go for multiple users and multiple capabilities of each and every users. Also, this platform have a front page, which is I'm gonna show you later, which is the viewers can interact with you or can buy an airing time for his advertisement and other things. So let's log in to Vas from. I'm gonna put this login here. So when we log in, this is the first time you log into the system, which is customized for you. You're gonna see the dashboard, which is it have the Vmix JSON data sources. This is all what you need to put in data source in Vmix. And this is the PayPal IPN, which is you put it in your PayPal standard IPN so that it interact also, so that people can buy from you airing time for their advertisement, like real estate, cars, teleshoppings, whatever you need. So let's go first to the newsroom. Here we can see news stickers, headlines, and photos, which this is I added for this demonstration. So I'm gonna go see all tickers right now. Let's check all the tickers. So we have these stickers, which is for the news, right? So the one in the white should be, this is the saved one. The one on the green, which is it labeled on air, which is on air, right? Or on air, it means it's already on Vmix data source. It's ready to be, to go to the graphics. So, and the red one will be under review if you wanna review or change anything inside this one, right? So let's just check them later on. We're gonna check how this works, but let's see other things, which is, let's go for the headlines. This is the headlines that we have here. It have the on air now because this is green, and it have the headline images and stuff. I'm gonna show you later on how it works with the graphics, but let's see how it works actually in data source in Vmix. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. I'm gonna hit with the headlines here. I'm gonna copy this one, and I'm gonna hit the data source for Vmix, which is this is the data source for Vmix. I'm gonna add this one as JSON, and then I put here this one. I'm gonna name it headlines. All right, so here it gonna goes. Our headlines you're gonna see it right now here. This is our headline, which is Elon Musk blah blah blah. Subline is this, and it goes all the way for location and image. This is the image for the URL for the headline. Also, I'm gonna show you later on how this goes to the graphics, how it looks in the graphics. But this is not only this, but let's go back to the newsroom. Let's go for the headlines. Let's check. Okay, you see this is a green one, which is on air. I need it on air right now. But also in my news, I need also this or let's go for Qatar. Let's take Qatar as also our headline. I'm gonna quick edit this. I'm gonna say I need it on air, right? Update, and this is gonna be green. So I'm gonna go back to data source. I'm gonna see it. US returned the World Cup, which is this is for Qatar, Doha and Qatar, right? You see it right here. But sometimes we need to make a rundown, which is which the first and which the last, right? Because on the control room, when you go on air, we need not to confuse the controller or the operator which last and which first, right? So basically, you can save this here in the platform. So what do you say here? Because this is what you see here, Qatar is number 2 and Elon Musk is number 1. All you need to do is to drag it up to schedule the rundown. This is drag it up, right? If you're gonna go back to data sources, you will see it's already in number 1. So this is the first headline, this is the second headline. Whenever I need to change the headline rundown, right, I just want to drag it That's it. All you need is to drag it. You see it's now Elon Musk number 1, so Elon Musk number 1 here. All you need to do is to drag. That's all you need. Also, you can add a new one. You can add new headlines. Just add it. The headlines, subline, the title for this, also the image, and click to air. Or you're gonna like approve immediately, or you need it like schedule for tomorrow, whatever you need, save as what. It's very easy to know. Let's go for phono, and this is the phonos I created. Right, this is the phono I created. This is you know, you have a lot of guests in your studio, and these guests you want to interview them all the time or in specific shows. So you have these database for your guests, like guest photo, all the details for this guest. Let's see, this guest was called Dr. Mark. All right, so we're gonna just go for edit Dr. Mark. Let's see him, for example. Okay, so we see he's Dr. Mark, blah blah blah. We have also contact info for him, which is not to have to be viewed on Vmix. We don't need these things to be viewed on Vmix, but this also as a database for your you know, guests and stuff, right? We're gonna update him again, and then we're gonna go back to the phonos. All right, so this is, for example, Dr. Mark will be my guest. So I'm gonna go back to dashboard and then take the phonos to show you how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna add phonos right now in JSON format and add the phono. I'm gonna also rename it as phono, not to, you know, forget what it is. So this is the phono. Now it took Dr. Mark. All I need for the graphics now is the name, the guest name, guest title, guest subtitle sometimes, guest location, and the photo for the guest, right? So I will show you also how it goes with the graphics, this one. Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the phonos, which is here in the newsroom. I need to add, for example, Sarah Fender, which is the reporter. Let's add her to our online, to our show, right? So I'm gonna quick edit here and just go to on air. That's it. All I need to do is to put it on air, and she's on air right now. But Dr. Mark now is a little late, right? He's late. I don't want to get him first. I will need to talk to Sarah Fender first. So not also to confuse the operator, I'm just gonna, in the platform, I'm just gonna drag her up. That's it. She's number 1 for the interview, and then Dr. Mark. So you see now Sarah is changed to up, right? All right, let's go for the real estate. This is interesting here. The real estate is very interesting thing to see. So real estate, if you're gonna run 24/7 advertisement in your screen, like you know, a banner or an L shape on your screen 24/7, this goes for real estate advertisement, mobile cars advertisement, teleshopping advertisement, whatever the viewers or the audience want to send you as advertisement. This could be free or could be paid. I'm gonna show you how it's gonna be free or gonna be paid. So this is here the approved ones, which is we gonna just say quick edit, and then this is a draft. We go to air. This is airing now. This is on air. This advertisement will be on air. So here we have everything about the advertisement, the images that the audience or the client puts for him, and then what's the details here. Once you approve the photos and the details here, it's gonna be on air once you approve it, right? Also, I added some stuff about you know, the cup. For example, if you want more stuff to be added as cups or sports, whatever you need to be added, it will be added. It all takes you know, because of the limitation of Vmix data source, it's only take text and colors and, you know, photos. It doesn't take videos and right now, but later on maybe Vmix will change the data source to take the ability to take videos. Then we will take videos. Anyway, so this is what we have here as a demonstration. We can put cup 22 and then put the flags, blah blah blah, anything. We can add more, a lot of stuff. But let's go back to a little bit about real estate. So we're gonna go back to real estate here, so you're gonna see how everything is moving, right? So because the platform have a front page so people can interact with you, I'm gonna show you right now. We're gonna go, I made this very simple front page. It can be customized for sure, a very simple for demonstration only. So I'm gonna go for real estate advertisement right now. You're gonna see that we have these advertisement right now. So if people want to pay you for this advertisement to be run on your screen, for 24/7 without the hassle of contacting them or contacting you, whatever. Everything goes online right now, okay, through Vmix, okay. But let's go first back here. Let's take, to show you, let's go take the real estate one. This is the API, real estate, and just put it in the data source here. If we're gonna run the advertisement later on, and let's call it real estate, right? And then we put here, and this, we're gonna have the real estate. We have all the data here for the real estate, also the photos, everything, right? So I'm gonna show you also later how it goes with the graphics, because I made the graphics for this, okay? But I'm gonna show you how this works with the graphics. But let's go back here for the real estate one. I'm gonna make the demonstration how we pay for this. So I'm gonna go for personal info right now. I'm gonna put Ivan, for example. Contact number, it should be the customer contact number, which is 2222 whatever I need. And let's go for email. I'm gonna put demo@vmix.com. Property info, this is where your property be info. By the way, this can be for real estate, for cars, for teleshopping, whatever you need. Maybe you need all of them to be here, right? A lot of kind of advertisement people can do. And let's go, will go live on air once you approve it, because we're gonna be paid by this platform, right? So property address, 321 Street, for example. Let's go for New York as a city. I need apartment. This is property type. It can be customized also, whatever you need, but I'm gonna go with apartment. For sale or for rent, I'm gonna go for rent. Property square meters, it will be, for example, 400, and property price will be $60,000 per year or something. The living room will be 2, bedroom will be 3, bathrooms will be 3, whatever I need to. It has a garage. Yes, it has a garage. Now I'm gonna go select the images that I need to be selected. I'm gonna go with the this one, I guess, and gonna go with no, let's go this one and this one. And this is here. So you have sometimes you have a coupon codes you need to add. So this will cost $5. This will cost $5 to run the advertisement for 24 hours, right? So I'm gonna hit submit right now and pay it by PayPal, my developer account on PayPal. So I'm gonna pay it by PayPal developer account, so that because of the testing, the sandbox of PayPal. So I'm gonna, for demonstration only, I'm gonna just submit it to be paid. And let's see how it goes, because this probably will be very, very good for your televisions, right? So now it's really here loading, and it's gonna take me now to the sandbox of PayPal. I'm gonna add it with another account, this is the personal account for the sandbox. I'm just for demonstration only. It's a $5. I'm gonna log into PayPal. Right here, it's a very secure system for payment. It's only PayPal. You don't need to put an email or something, just your email and any email. So this is a PayPal right now. You know, this is okay. Test store, right? Real estate 24 advertisement. This is about the advertisement. We're gonna pay $5 from the balance, right? So I'm gonna pay right now. Let's go pay this. It's now paid. You see, it's now paid. Let's go for the details if you want to see the details. What we paid for. Real estate 24 hours advertisement. This is a $5 only, and balance blah 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 blah. Okay, we can go return to merchant. So this is the outer page. You know, this is the confirmation page. It's gonna be customizable and stuff. Let's go back to the dashboard and see how it runs. Let's go to sales, entries. Let's see the entries. And these entries right now, you're gonna see this is a transaction paid. Right now with this demonstration, it's paid. Let's go to real estate and see it right here. Oh, so this is what here we have it, a pending review. Oh, I put the same two photos, but anyway, let's go to quick edit right now and go to approve it on air, right? So we approved this on air, and let's go here to see it on the data source. So now we are here on this on the Vmix right now. So we're gonna see all the data sources here and everything running smoothly from the Vas platform, right? So I'm gonna just record right now what's going on with the graphics. I made a demonstration graphics, for example, headlines. Let's see the headlines, how it runs with everything inside it. So this is the headlines now for Elon Musk, blah blah blah, from Washington, and everything, you know, just the headline. and these stuff working right now and taking data from the data source itself, right? I also can change the headlines if I want, just to click right here and everything goes right here immediately, right? So I'm gonna show you also how phonos runs, right? So this is the phonos. This is, for example, we have a guest right now and she's a reporter, and you know, this is how it goes. Also, if you get data source, we have the phono here. We can go, for example, Dr. Mark. For example, I'm gonna hide this first, right? I'm gonna go now for Dr. Mark, put Dr. Mark right here and just go for Dr. Mark, right? This is how the phonos work as a guest. So I'm gonna go now and show you if you're gonna run advertisements, any kind of advertisement like teleshopping, real estate, car selling and stuff like this in your Vmix. So I'm gonna go with this one, which is, I prepared it for you here, and this is the advertisement running on screen for 24/7. We can change it. It automatically changed the pictures that we selected before from 1 to 2 and have all the information. It can run on an L shape and also all the time running on your screen, while you can run also other things. If you have a show, it's running already on your screen and stuff like this. So this is basically how this works. It's a very, very cool and very cheap solution to have everything in your databases in the Vas and the Vas system. And this is a very cool system that can be customized and can be added a lot of stuff, even for sport, for currencies, for stock markets, anything. You're gonna go here and it is a fast to go from here to the data sources and Vmix, and also to have everything right here. Thank you for watching, and I hope you subscribe to our Vmix group on Facebook. This is Ivan. Goodbye.